Hi friends, here is a nice problem. We have to find the sum to n terms of the series 11, 103, 1005, etc. First, we should understand what is this series. The series is, we can see 10 plus 1, 100 plus 3, 1000 plus 5, 10,000 plus 7, like this. Right. So there is a geometric series also in this, which is 1, 10, 100,000, and there is an arithmetic series also 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, likewise. So it is combination of geometric series and arithmetic series. Now, how do we do this? We know the formula for geometric series, we know the formula for arithmetic series. So let us just split this and find the sum. For example, like this 11, 103, 1005, etc. etc. We can write it as 10 plus 1, 100 plus 3, that is 10 square plus 3. Then 1005, that means 10 cube plus 5, likewise. Right, we can write it like this, right? Now, let us group all the geometric series on one side and all the arithmetic series terms on the other side. 10, 10 square, 10 cube up to n terms. Because if there are total n terms, then this also will be n terms and this also will be n terms. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, whatever will be n terms. What is the sum of n terms of a geometric series? A into 10 power n minus 1 by 10 n minus 1, a into r power n minus 1 by r minus 1, right? You know the formula, right? A into r power n minus 1 by r minus 1 is, this is what? This is sum to n terms. Now here what is a? A is 2, sorry, a is 10, r is also 10, and n is n. So a into 10 power n minus 1 by 10 minus 1 is the sum of this one, right? Similarly here, what is this? This is 10 into 10 power n minus 1 by 10 minus 1. So that means 10 by 9 into 10 power n minus 1. This is the sum of this. Here 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, whatever. So here what is the sum? Here, if you see, we don't even need to calculate the sum. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. The sum of all odd numbers. Sum of all odd numbers is n square. If there are n odd numbers, right? 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5. There are three odd numbers. 5, 3, 8. This is 3 square. There are two odd numbers. This is 2 square. Right, we directly know it is n square, but still we should know the formula also. This is n by 2 into 2a plus. That means 2a is 2 plus n minus 1 into d. D is also 2. So 2 plus n minus 1 to d. So this 2 and this 2 will be 2 plus. So we get what? 2 plus 2n minus 2. Right, this and this will cancel. N by 2 into this. So this 2 also, this 2 also cancel. So we'll be left with n square again. Right. Even, but we don't need this. Sum of n odd numbers is n square. Right. We should know this. And we know this. Right. So we have 10 into 10 power n minus 1, which is the sum of this 10, 10 square, 10 cube up to n terms. And this is the sum of first n odd numbers, which is n square. So the total answer is, the final answer is this one, 10 into 10 power n minus 1 by 9 plus n square. Right? Yes. This is such a simple problem. Just we need to split the given terms into AP and GP separate. Right. Thank you.